Okay, guys, I am testing my EA. I just name it Fast Light. Yeah. So I'm running it on demo account on MT4 and MT5, and I noticed that my EA work smoother on MT4, but not on MT5. As you can see that in the first 2 hours of running, on MT4 it reached target already. Because I put target, I set target, daily target is $100, and on MT4 it's reached target already, but not on MT5. I think the reason on MT5 because it's slow when when they try to close profit and can sell the stop order. So let me go straight how the strategy work on this EA, right? So it basically when it start by creating buy stop on the upper price, right? And it create the sell stop lower the price, right? So whenever price go and trigger all these stop order, it will calculate the drawdown. When the drawdown reach the amount to be closed, right? Like we call it grid profit. In this case is $10. So if it reach $10, it will close and then can sell. So I think that the reason that on MT5 is slow, maybe the server or something, I don't know, but yeah, on MT5 is very slow. When it close, when it close, it's slow, then the price move back, and then sometimes we get lost, maybe, yeah. But on MT4 when I test it, it's smooth, so it reached the target. Okay, so I want to show you how it works. I will try back testing for you to see. So yeah, for 1,000, or I think 2,000 is more sustainable. 1,000 is too little for this kind of grid EA, So yeah, this is a setting. So it is a grid base. So we have 15 layer of the grid, and each layer will have 2 order with the same lot size, right? And you have option to use multiplier or not. But yeah, if you set use multiplier to true, and then it will not use a lot increase. Okay, something like that. Okay, so let me run the test for you to see. Yeah, but because before in back testing is more faster than the real trading, right? So I will set up daily target to $100. Yeah, just to show you how it works. Okay. Yeah. It makes some drawdown as well. This EA will will have some drawdown if the market is sideways. Yeah. So you can see it can reach $100 per day easily. Yeah. I run on demo account. It's in less than 2 hours it reached $100. Yeah. So how do you think? If you think this is good or bad or something that you want to advise me, just please comment. Yeah, please comment on the video below. Yeah.